All right, so I have actually cut 2 centimeter wide strap. Now for the measurements, just make sure that you have something that is long enough to actually, climb on this or under it this way. Don't forget it's like this. This is the way it looks like. And we have this right here. Is that not what we want to create? So what do you do now at this point? I'm going to as well remove this one again. I need gum on that brush. Put it on the brush for me. So don't forget this is not attached to it. So what we are dealing with is just this lower part. As long as you have positioned it, we are going to be using, I'm going to be using my contact cement adhesive right here. Please hold it for me. Hold this one. I think I should use my hand because I don't want to lose that position. So let me remove it this way. Hold it down very well. Open it slightly just to maintain the position. Now, even if you are not getting the position in the first instance, even if you are not getting it, you can still go back to your design, to your shoe last now and position it again. I just don't want my gum to be attached to this. Let me just put it there first. Then I'll come and place it. So I've tried to position it back. Now let's place this. I want to try to place this so that we all can see what it looks like. You look at it. This one was not even showing at all. Nobody was seeing this. So this is supposed to be positioned in such a way that this goes this way. You can see what I have. Can you see what it looks like? So with this now I want to believe it's already staying there now. I can easily remove this one. Remove this as well. You understand? I can remove all of this. Now, if you want to actually take your time to draw this, it's not a crime. It's not a crime if you want to. So now you can see what this looks like. Of course, I'm going to trim this off. I'm going to trim that off. You can see I've trimmed that side off. I will insert again just to see and be sure that that is what we really want. So that if we need further trimming, we can still trim. So with this, we have this right here. And we have this right here. So with this, we already have our design and we are good to go. With this, we have our design and we are actually good to go. You can see what we have right here. This is simply what the design looks like. Now, I want us to now look at this particular position. You will definitely need to try to work on each of them all over again. This one, for example, you will place it down on another pattern and cut it all together. You understand? You will cut it all together so that it will not be separate like this. Cut it all together. If you want to reduce this, please, you can reduce it to 3.5. I think it's quite wide. Please reduce it to about 3.5. Then this particular side, I was telling us that we can actually work on all of this particular place. If you want this side to be a little bit smaller, you can do all of that. So what you've got to be very careful then. You just want to make this place look let's see what I have. I'm just trying to, but I still want to maintain this side. Now let me show you what it looks like. So this side it went in a little bit and this is still the same. So I'm going to, of course, do the same thing on this side. So let me come in gently. So this one also. You can actually leave it this way. It's not like you have to do all of that. This one too, make sure you place it on another pattern and cut it out together this way. Alright, this is what I have after cutting them separately. So go ahead and create yours and let me know what it looks like.